How to change name on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your name in Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. Below you will see some icons there. Click on the profile icon at the left below. Click on the top right button. Then click on Settings. You will see the option that says Edit Profile. By clicking on Edit Profile, you will be guided to this page. Here you can see first name. Clear it and write a new name here. After you type the new name, click on Done. And your name has been changed. This is how you change name on Pinterest. It's quite simple. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.